Well, hello, you guys. Happy New Year Eve 2024. And we celebrate New Year Eve. Also, we celebrate Jesus because that's the main. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. Okay, so this is our little order that we're gonna have. I'll probably drink me some wine. I love this wine right here, you guys. Oh my goodness. My husband he like wine, but he probably drinks a Tito and stuff. So I just want to come back to show you guys what's some of the other little gift that we having. That little shrimp cocktail. Oh wow, that look good. Mm-hmm. Wow. Yes. Yes. And again, happy New Year's Eve, and you guys have a happy Merry Christmas. Yes. 2024. I just want to come back to show you guys how I got my table all set up, because we miss to get, we like to have some little order, just to celebrate Christmas Eve, if you know what I mean. So, yeah. It's my table pretty. See my little plate. And you guys, this right here, this is like a little coaster. You set your, you set your chocolate on it, just like that. That's how that is. So, yep, I just want to come back and wish you guys a happy holiday and happy Christmas Eve and a Merry Christmas. Alrighty, because I'm not going to make that too long. This is my little setup. I like this little, and you know what, you guys, this right here is like a little cross. You can't really see it because of the roses, but like welcome, harvest, thankful, and we are thankful. Yep, this is fall. I really like that. So if you guys like wine, you guys can go ahead and buy it, because this is really, especially, I like sweet wine, so yeah. So that's my wine glasses. I like how my daughter did that. She kind of, she's very creative, you guys, I guarantee. Yep. See my beautiful rose that my husband got. You probably saw the video that we celebrate our anniversary, and it's still holding up, you guys. Just as long as you feed it. Yep, it's still holding up with my little red vase. See the little vase? For Christmas. Yes.
I'm afraid.
What?
I feel like I'm afraid to walk. I don't know why we do that.
Can you take a picture like that too? You know how to take a picture, right? You just talking. Well, you guys can't hear me. I'll tell you. And my daughter, she's screaming.
The video.
Oh no! Oh, I'm doing it. Oops. Okay, you guys, good night. And hope you guys had a happy, hope you guys have a happy Christmas Eve. And in the morning, Merry Christmas to you, to all of you guys around the world. So this is my end on my Christmas Eve, you know, where the food is already put up and stuff. But I just wish y'all a happy Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas.